English phrases explained. Opera Premiere. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, opera premiere. This might sound a bit fancy, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in a conversation. Let's dive in. Opera premiere is a two-part phrase. The first part, opera, refers to a type of theatrical performance that combines music, singing, acting, and sometimes dance. Operas are known for their dramatic stories and powerful music. The second part, premiere, means the first performance of a play, film, dance, or musical work. So, when we say opera premiere, we are talking about the very first performance of a new opera. An opera premiere is a significant event in the world of classical music and theater. It's often attended by critics, celebrities, and fans of the arts. The premiere is a chance to experience something completely new and is often accompanied by a sense of excitement and anticipation. For the performers and composers, it's a moment of great pride and often nerves, as they present their work to the public for the first time. Now, how can you use opera premiere in a conversation? Let's look at a few examples. I heard the opera premiere last night was spectacular. Are you going to the opera premiere next week? The composer was very nervous before the opera premiere. Notice how the phrase is used to denote a specific event, the first showing of an opera. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you now feel comfortable understanding and using the phrase, opera premiere. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and expressions. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.